Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again. So I'm working on an '05 Crown Victoria and I wanted to share this video with you because this is an alternate way of fixing your horn. If on your P71 your horn is not working, I know I have a few videos, a few alternate videos out there, but I wanted to make another alternate because I found another way of fixing the horn in case you're still having trouble or cannot find the correct colored wire because of the police outfit. Okay, so this is an '05 Crown Vic that we're working on now, and check it out. So step one, obviously, you want to make sure that your horn is connected. Okay, make sure it's connected and you don't see anything funny as far as anything weird on the actual wires. You don't want to see any cut wires there. Okay, if it looks good here, okay, obviously to remove this here, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 plastic turn knobs. You turn left and they pop up, and you just go ahead and take this out carefully. Be careful when you don't want to scratch your paint here when you're taking it off and putting it back on. Okay, all right, so once you check that and that's fine, okay, don't worry about these wires here. These wires are for the actual speaker that was mounted on this vehicle, okay, or the PA system. So the next thing I went to do, okay, is the following. Okay, so there's no horn. Okay, it's not working. And what they say to do is to look for a blue wire, right? Blue wire is usually the culprit, okay? But this is what you have here, okay? You got about 24 different colored wires there. Don't know what nothing is here. This is what you need to do. If you have this similar setup, okay, on Crown Victorias, the color for the horn of the wire is blue. Okay, so I'm gonna take you underneath here and I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna remove the panel because I already know what the fix is, and show you what they do sometimes. And it might trick you, but this is what they do to end up running the wire all the way this way, because it's just another way that they do things when they're doing the outfit. Okay, so 1 second, I'm gonna walk up, actually crawl down there. All right, so this is I'm underneath the actual steering column, okay, and you see that blue wire that's right there, okay, that is usually the wire that gets disconnected and gets rewired to a module to the horn, right? So this is what you want to do, okay? So see that white wire that's sticking out? That white wire shouldn't be there, okay? So and now if you look on the left hand side, right there, right in the middle of it, oops, hang on guys, I'm doing this with one hand, right there. So the wire is right there. So they spliced into the wire, they cut it. Oops. Hang on guys, I'm trying to get the light here. Okay, they cut it and then they connected this white wire, okay? And this white wire here is the one that it should go all the way to the center where it's underneath the actual cup holders, which is where you've seen all the 24 million wires sticking out, okay? So keep an eye out for that, because this is an '05. Don't know if that specific wire can be a different color on yours, but blue is the wire that you always want to look for, okay? And then see what other alternate wire it might be connected, and that's the wire you want to follow. All right, so now let's go to the front. 1 second. All right, so I found the white wires right here, right? Check it out. So here, this was all put together. Now, guys, be careful if you have this set up here, because some of these wires here may still be hot. Okay, for example, this red one, this just because the color of the wire is red does not mean that it's hot. Okay, this yellow wire, yellow is actually hot. Okay, so it's got power on it, and these blues here, these blues are not the blue that you're thinking it's gonna be for the horn. So check it out, right? So be careful with what you're doing here. Do not let any others touch each other, because you don't want to blow anything out. Okay. Obviously, once I fix this, which I will shortly, I'm gonna clear all this out, and the hot wires, I'm gonna ground them and make sure that, you know, there's not. I'm gonna put some tape on them and make it all nice, and make sure that there's no potential ways of them getting or making contact with another wire that could a ground, for example. Okay, so check this out, guys. This is that white wire that we seen under the steering column. So check this out. I'm gonna do it with one hand. I'm gonna give it a little twist here. Sorry, guys, I'm doing this with one hand. Let's see here, just a little bit. All right, so now there's contact. Okay, check. Bam. All right, so just get these two wires connected correctly. Obviously, use a crimping tool, crimp them together, put some black tape on it, ground everything else out. Okay, I'm sorry, ground all the positive, not with positive with ground, but I mean, you know, eliminate them from making contact with any other wire. Okay, so cool. I wanted to share this because there's many different ways of getting this horn to work, and yeah, this is an alternate way. So keep an eye out, guys. There's more videos on this Crown Victoria. We're gonna more likely work on the radio next, and go from there. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and consider having a good day. All right, guys. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.